Business strategist Jay Bayer once said, "The goal of social media is to turn customers into a volunteer marketing army." Welcome back to Business Mind, your hub for all things business and marketing. In today's video, we're diving deep into the dynamic world of social media marketing. This is Business Mind. Join us as we dream big and achieve bigger. Why use social media marketing? Social media marketing is the art and science of using various social media platforms to connect, engage, and influence our target audience. It is a powerful tool that businesses and individuals use to create brand presence, communicate their messages, and foster relationships in the digital sphere. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, where billions of people engage with social media platforms daily, mastering social media marketing has become essential for success. It allows businesses to amplify their reach, drive traffic to websites, and nurture customer loyalty. In the realm of social media marketing, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are bustling hubs of activity, each with unique characteristics and user bases. Facebook, for instance, boasts a diverse user demographic spanning different age groups, making it a versatile platform for various businesses. Instagram, on the other hand, thrives on visual content, making it ideal for brands centered around aesthetics. Twitter's succinct nature appeals to those seeking concise updates, while LinkedIn caters predominantly to professionals and B2B interactions. By understanding these differences, marketers can tailor their content to suit the preferences and behaviors of users on each platform, effectively maximizing their impact. This nuanced approach is vital for resonating with audiences and achieving marketing goals. Setting clear objectives. Before embarking on a social media campaign, establishing clear objectives is paramount. These goals serve as a compass guiding your efforts, ensuring that every post, interaction, and strategy aligns with a purpose. Whether it's boosting brand awareness, generating leads, driving website traffic, or fostering community engagement, well-defined objectives provide focus and measurable outcomes. Clear objectives allow marketers to track progress, optimize strategies, and ultimately determine the campaign's success. Remember, objectives act as a foundation upon which your social media efforts are built, helping you navigate the dynamic landscape with purpose and precision. And isn't that the main reason you're here after all? You're in pursuit of your goal, which is business success, driven by dedication and motivation to make everything work. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger, and we have set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your shake of success might just be one click away. Identifying your target audience. Craft effective social media campaigns. Creating detailed buyer personas is essential. These fictional representations of your ideal customers encompass demographics, behaviors, and preferences. By understanding your audience's pain points and aspirations, you can tailor content that resonates deeply. This personalization fosters connections and elicits engagement. Whether it's through relatable stories or addressing specific needs, catering to your audience cultivates authenticity and trust. In the vast digital landscape, crafting content that speaks directly to your target audience is a cornerstone of successful social media marketing. Social media marketing strategies. Wait, leave, click away now. What we're about to tell you is classified information that successful business owners hide from you. The strategies that can take your social media marketing efforts to the next level. Just like a craftsman selects the right tools for their job, a savvy marketer strategically employs tactics to captivate, engage, and inspire their audience. So, whether you're a business striving to enhance your online presence or an individual eager to master the art of influence, get ready to uncover the artistry behind effective social media marketing strategies. Strategy. Craft content with the 80-20 rule. In the dynamic realm of social media, captivating content reigns supreme. Visuals, videos, and artfully crafted captions form the trifecta that grabs attention and sustains interest. Engaging visuals and videos provide instant impact, conveying messages swiftly in a visual-first landscape. Accompanying these, well-written captions add depth and context, enhancing audience connection. Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of your content should add value, educate, or entertain your audience. The remaining 20% can be subtle promotions. This balance maintains authenticity and prevents oversaturation. By seamlessly blending these elements, your content becomes a dynamic storytelling tool, fostering a loyal and engaged following. Strategy: leverage social media algorithms. Social media algorithms, the invisible guiding hands, dictate what we see. Simplified, they analyze user behavior and preferences, tailoring content accordingly. Engagement, comprising likes, comments, and shares, plays a pivotal role. The more engaging your content, the higher its visibility. Algorithms reward interaction by amplifying content to wider audiences, creating a snowball effect. Understanding this symbiotic relationship empowers marketers. Crafting engaging content isn't just about aesthetics, it is about triggering meaningful interactions. By igniting discussions, sparking emotions, and fostering connections, you don't just conquer algorithms, you captivate hearts and minds. It is the very essence of organic growth in the digital age. Strategy: select the right posting schedule. Timing isn't just a detail, it is a strategic move. The right posting schedule can significantly impact your content's visibility and engagement. Understanding when your target audience is most active on social media is key. Posting during these peak times increases the likelihood of your content being seen, liked, shared, and commented on. To streamline this process, consider utilizing scheduling tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later. These platforms allow you to plan and schedule posts in advance, ensuring consistent presence without constant manual efforts. This automation frees you to focus on engagement and interaction, maintaining an active online presence even during your off hours. Strategy: utilize hashtags wisely. Hashtags are digital signposts that lead users to treasure trove of content. They serve a dual purpose, enhancing discoverability and categorizing posts. By adding relevant hashtags to your posts, you increase the chances of your content being found by users interested in similar topics. To maximize their impact, choose a mix of broad and specific hashtags. Broad ones cast a wide net, while specific ones target niche communities. Research trending hashtags relevant to your content or industry, but ensure they align with your messages. Overloading with hashtags can appear spammy, so a tasteful balance is key. By mastering the art of hashtags, you elevate your content's visibility and connect with a broader audience. Strategy: consider paid advertising. Paid social media advertising introduces a potent accelerator to your digital strategy. It offers precise targeting, amplifying your content to the right audience. The benefits include increased reach, accelerated growth, and enhanced visibility. When crafting paid campaigns, explore targeting options like demographics, interests, behaviors, and even retargeting website visitors. As for budget, start small, test, and refine based on performance. Social media platforms provide analytics, enabling you to optimize campaigns in real time. Remember, paid advertising complements organic efforts, offering a strategic edge that can rapidly escalate your brand's impact in the vast social landscape. Analyzing and adapting. Armed with these strategies, it is time to venture into the realm of analyzing and adapting. Just as a captain relies on navigation tools, you will navigate the digital waters using insights and data to refine your approach. Social media analytics are your compass in the digital expanse. They provide invaluable insights into what's working and what needs fine-tuning. By understanding user behavior, preferences, and interactions, you gain actionable knowledge that shapes your strategy. Metrics are your guiding stars. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares gauge audience interaction. Reach metrics quantify your content's visibility. Click-through rates measure the effectiveness of your call to action. By analyzing these metrics, you are equipped to adapt, optimizing your content for maximum impact. Data-driven decisions transform your strategy from guesswork to precision, ensuring you sail towards success. And there you have it. We have explored the art of upgrading your business with social media marketing. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. If you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So, go ahead, dream big, Work hard and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.